This is the ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni, and after using it in my own home, I can confidently say this is one of the most capable, high-value robot cleaners I've tested. The main reason for that is simple. This robot focuses on real cleaning, not just automation. Especially when it comes to mopping, it behaves very differently from traditional pad-based robots, and that difference is immediately noticeable in everyday use. In this review, I'll focus on how it actually cleans, how it fits into your daily life, and why this model makes sense for busy homes with kids, pets, or mixed flooring. The T90 Pro Omni brings many flagship-level cleaning features into a more accessible package. Instead of relying on dual pads that smear dirt, it uses a long roller mop that actively scrubs the floor with fresh water and washes itself as it goes. In practice, that means better stain removal, cleaner edges, less maintenance, and more consistent results across the entire home. The key feature of the T90 Pro Omni is the Ozmo Roller 3.0 mopping system, and this is where it clearly separates itself from most robot mops. Instead of dragging two flat pads, it uses a 27cm extended rotating microfiber roller that actively scrubs the floor. The high-density microfiber roller has enhanced water retention, so it maintains consistent contact with the surface. What makes the system work so well is that the roller is pressurized with 10 newtons of downward force and continuously self-washed during cleaning. Clean water flows through the roller in real time using the Fresh Flow power washing system while dirty water is removed. The roller also self-washes at up to 200 RPM, which means the robot is always mopping with fresh water instead of spreading dirty residue. In real life, this makes a big difference in areas like kitchens and dining spaces. Sticky spills, dried stains, oil splashes, and food residue are lifted instead of being spread around. Even on larger dirty areas, the floor looks evenly clean and streak-free after a single pass. Because the roller stays clean throughout the session, there is no secondary contamination, and the result looks much closer to manual mopping than what you usually get from a robot. Another standout point is edge cleaning. With True Edge 3.0, the roller can extend up to 1.5 cm beyond the robot's body and glide tightly along walls and baseboards. In everyday use, this means dust lines along edges are actually removed, not left behind. Corners, cabinet toe kicks, and baseboards look noticeably cleaner, and I didn't feel the need to go back and manually touch up areas that robots usually miss. This is one of those features you don't think about until you see the result, and then it's hard to go back. On the vacuuming side, the T90 Pro Omni uses blast high airflow suction rather than relying only on peak suction numbers. In practice, that means strong, consistent pickup of dust, crumbs, and petty hair in a single pass on both hard floors and carpets. Hair handling is especially good thanks to the Zero Tangle 4.0 system. Hair is guided straight into the airflow instead of wrapping around the brush. When you flip the robot over, there is very little to no hair wrapped around the roller, even after multiple runs. This is a big plus for pet owners or homes with long hair. What I also appreciate is that it delivers this performance without being overly loud. Cleaning can run in the background without disrupting work, conversations, or daily activities. The T90 Pro Omni also manages power intelligently. With power boost charging, the robot can recharge during mop washing cycles, adding power quickly and reducing downtime. It also uses adaptive charging, which estimates power needs based on home size and cleaning mode. Instead of reacting at the last minute, the robot plans recharging more intelligently to finish larger cleaning sessions with fewer interruptions. In everyday use, cleaning feels more fluid and less stop and go, especially during deep cleaning routines. In a pinch, just 3 minutes of charging can add around 10% battery, which you can also monitor directly in the app. The Omni Station plays a huge role in making this robot feel truly hands-free. After cleaning, the roller is washed using temperature-controlled Mop Washing 2.0, automatically adjusting wash temperature based on room type and how dirty the floor is. When needed, it can use hot water up to 75 degrees Celsius, followed by 63 degrees Celsius hot air drying, which helps prevent odors, improves hygiene, and keeps the mop ready for the next run. The station also features a 150-day maintenance-free wash tray design, reducing how often you need to clean the base. The dirty water system is automatically cleaned as well, which means less residue buildup, less smell, and less hands-on maintenance over time. For people who hate washing mop pads or dealing with daily upkeep, this system makes a noticeable difference. For mixed floor homes, the robot handles transitions well. The roller lifts up to 15 mm to protect carpets from moisture, and the carpet-first strategy ensures carpets are vacuumed while the roller is still dry before mopping begins on hard floors. Thresholds and uneven transitions are handled reliably thanks to the TruePass adaptive 4-wheel drive climbing, helping the robot cross thresholds and uneven areas smoothly without getting stuck. Navigation is handled by AI-VI 3D 4.0 obstacle avoidance, which works well in real homes with cables, toys, shoes, furniture legs, and everyday clutter. Obstacles are avoided without sacrificing edge coverage. The app is straightforward and gives full control over scheduling, room selection, and cleaning modes. There is also an easy mode for simpler operation, plus Eco AI voice control for quick one-command cleaning when you don't want to open the app. Living with a T90 Pro Omni, the biggest advantage is consistency. Floors stay cleaner with less effort and maintenance stays minimal. I don't need to think about washing mops, untangling brushes, or babysitting the robot. It fits naturally into daily life, cleaning after meals, handling pet hair, or running quietly in the background while you're working or relaxing. It's important to clarify the difference between the T90 Pro Omni and the standard T90. The Pro Omni version is designed for users who want a fully hands-free experience with a roller-based mopping system, an Omni station delivering deeper cleaning and lower maintenance. The standard T90 is better suited for users who want a solid performance at a lower price point, but if mopping performance and minimal maintenance matter to you, the Pro Omni is clearly the better choice. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T90 Pro Omni is built for people who want real cleaning performance without daily effort. The Ozmo Roller 3.0 delivers deeper, cleaner mopping, True Edge 3.0 solves edge cleaning properly, and the Omni Station quietly takes care of maintenance in the background. For busy households with kids, pets, or mixed flooring, this is a strong, well-rounded robot cleaner that genuinely improves everyday cleanliness instead of just maintaining appearances. What do you think about this robot vacuum cleaner? Would you choose this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. It was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.